Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some cleaning and organizing. I'm doing upstairs, so my daughter's room, my son's room, my office, and I'm going to do a little bit of laundry in between so you guys can see how I kind of keep things moving along and nice and clean and organized most of the time. I'm starting off in my son's room today, so I'm just going through all of his clothes that he's outgrown and separating things into bags for donation. And then some of the items that I just don't want to part with yet that are more safe keep, I'm going to go ahead and put those into bins for some storage. And whatever I'm cleaning or tidying up, I always like to put in a load of laundry. So this way it just can go through the washer for like 30, 40 minutes and I'm getting things done. So it's kind of my way of like multitasking as I clean, and it just saves a lot of time. So I'm doing the same thing in his dresser, just removing anything that he's outgrown. And I like to keep each drawer with a different category. So I put like all my tops in the first drawer and then bottoms in the second drawer and so on. This way it just keeps everything nice and organized. You can see exactly what you have. And I also find that it saves money. So you're not like overbuying because you're not seeing exactly what you have, if that makes sense. So the clothes in the dryer are dry now, so I'm just gonna sit down and do a time lapse, just fold everything, put everything away. All right, so I got everything put away, everything that he's outgrown. I've went ahead and I put it into the bin. Some of it I have over there that's going into a bag for donation. And then this is the bin that he will be, like the clothes that he'll be growing out of. And I just have them labeled. It's gonna be like 6 to 12 months, but so anything for that as he grows out of it, I'll just throw it in that bin. That's been working. It's much more manageable for me doing it this way than waiting until the end. And I'm not gonna buy him much more than what he has now. I find that more of a minimal wardrobe has been working better. And I find that he's just growing out of things so quickly. So that's working. I just have his little christening outfit that he literally wore for like 2 seconds. So I might actually sell it on like Poshmark or something. I'm not sure if I'm gonna save it yet or what. And I just have this adorable sign that I need to put up on the wall. I'm thinking like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it up over here on that wall or on this wall. What do you guys think? Because over here, it's like too small. So I definitely wanna, I think, put it like right there. I think that will look really good. I have a bunch of baby stuff that he's outgrown that needs to go up into the attic. It's so sad. I'm not sure like what I'm gonna be doing with this right now. So I guess we're just gonna pack it up and label it and put it up into the attic for now, because I'm not sure if this will be the last kid. Most likely, but you never know. So I just had my husband run downstairs to get some of the items in the garage that needs to be put up in the attic. So while he's doing that, I'm just changing over the laundry. And we just filmed a laundry room makeover. I will link it up above. Just grab the rest of the stuff from the garage that has to go up in the attic. So like the car seat, the other car seat base, and then a stroller. Like I mentioned before, I'm not sure what we're gonna do as of yet. So we're just gonna bag everything, label it, and put it up in the attic. So in the attic, I use Post-it notes or my label maker. For this, I just like to use like little Post-it notes and I can just tape onto the bag. So we like to use big black garbage bags, and we just wrap everything up so it protects it from dust and whatnot. We don't like to, keep cardboard up there because mold can grow and things like that. But so this just works really good for now. We like to make sure everything is nice and labeled so that we can find everything. It's nice and easy. And then upstairs, we like to store everything. So like all baby items are in one corner of our attic. Decor, whatnot, everything is kind of grouped together so we know exactly where it is when we need to find it. Just gonna do a little vacuuming and dusting in the baby's room, and then I am done, and I'll be moving on to my daughter's room. So I have one room complete, and now that we have this whole area cleared out finally, I think what I'm gonna do is get some type of like a toy chest piece of furniture for right here, so then he can have a little room, you know, as he gets a little bit older to play in here. So that's my plan for now. I'm tossing in a load of lights, and I just wanted to kind of walk through my laundry routine. So what I like to do is I use a scoop of like OxyClean, which you'll see me do right now. And then I use 2 of the detergent pods. They're the free and clear. I use 2 on a larger load, and then I use just a scoop of the fragrance booster. And I show all that in my laundry makeover video. So I'm starting off in Jade's room by just putting away all of her clothes, organizing anything that is out. I like to keep her closet as color-coded as possible. This way, if she's looking for something pink, it's like, boom, we know exactly where it is. I can see exactly what she has, exactly what she may need. And I also keep bins in her closet, like labeled 4T and 5T, so as she grows out of things, I can just pop it in there and it's ready to go for storage. Next up is dusting, and this is beyond just like a Swiffer duster. There's just crap everywhere. I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know what these kids get on their hands and then they just like wipe it all over everything. Anyway, so I am using my Method surface cleaner. This stuff works really great at removing everything and also leaving surfaces streak free. And I love it for glass too. So I'm just giving everything a really good wipe down. Another room down. So now I'm moving into the storage unit of my house, AKA my office. I don't know what is going on here, but lately this room has just become our storage unit. So it's time for me to clean and organize and get everything packed up that we're getting rid of, we're donating, get things boxed up and put into bins that's going to be going up in the attic, and just move on it. I am tired of looking at this stuff. It's just really giving me anxiety having all of this clutter around me.
Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again.
I have a bunch of stuff that I want to list. I have just some stuff that I'm not going to be using that I've never used, and just stuff that I'm going to list on Poshmark. I have these bins already set up for stuff that I've already listed. And then these 2 bins I'm gonna add to these with the remainder of those clothes. And then this is just the stuff that I'm piling up now that I'm gonna be giving to donation. And then I have to figure what I'm gonna do with this old laundry room sign. I think that I'm gonna like list it on Marketplace. And then I have to go through this stuff and get it out of here. And then just continue to straighten up the rest of the office because it is a disaster. So these bins right here are going to be moved up for storage in the attic, and they're going to be labeled so I know exactly where everything is. And then I'm just going to start moving on the rest of the stuff. Some of the items, like I mentioned, are going to be boxed up and sent out to donation.
If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true.
She cracks me up. I have no idea what she does when my back is turned. It is too funny watching this stuff back.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
I'm explaining to her here that I need like a paper sorter, and we're discussing whether it should be pink or gold. Of course, she wants bright pink, but I need something to kind of sort like all of my papers, not necessarily bills, but just things that I need to take care of.
Hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Now that I have everything out of the office and put away as best as possible, I'm just gonna give a quick dust to everything. The surfaces are very dusty, and I'm gonna wipe down the surfaces also with that method cleaner that I had used before, and then I'm gonna vacuum.
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting.
And she's telling you guys, look guys, she's so mean, she's making me dust. No, but in all seriousness, I'm very lucky because she's super helpful and she always likes to help and be involved, so it's great.
Got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Once I get everything put away and organized, I like to sit down, and you can either write it down on a notebook like I'm doing, or I actually type it up in Excel in a spreadsheet. And I write an inventory list of exactly what is up in my attic so that I know for the future. And a lot of this stuff I'm only going to be keeping for like the next 5 years. Again, they're baby items. I'm not sure yet where I'm at with that. So I'm going to hang on to them. I'm going to write exactly what I have up there so that I can go and take inventory and keep that note for myself, because a lot of the times you put things up there and you get overwhelmed. So if you're into this type of planning and organization, I have more videos that you can definitely check out, and I will link them down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time